Hey everyone, I'm Alfaz. I'm from Belgavi. I've completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication from Angadi Institute of Technology and Management in the year of 2023. After my graduation, as you know, it was a COVID year. I couldn't get placed into my core domain company, and that is where I got to know about Emertxe. Actually, had done many internships in Emertxe as well, like be it for embedded internship, be it for IoT, and that is where I was very keen and mean about what are the core domains available for electronic jobs, and that is where I enrolled myself for embedded course, which was an offline course, and to be very specific, when I joined the course, it was very well tailored, like all the modules covering with the C, C++, Linux internals, microcontroller, and basically, most importantly, that is scripting language, which is the most essential part of the embedded domain. So that is where I would like to say, like, when I joined Emertxe, it was the right decision which I took for my career. Speaking about the mentors and the course, what was tailored for us, I would say that the course was very well tailored, and so were the trainers, very well trained and very well expertise in the respective subjects, and they were always available to help us during whatever our task was and everything in the career transition. Due to the support of the Emertxe team, be it the mentors team, be it the placements team, was very graceful for me and like very helpful for me to get placed into the core company. One is that Matrix Comsec, one of the premium companies of our institute, which helped me land a job in the premium company. Overall, I'm very grateful for the Emertxe team, be it for the placement team, be it for the mentor team, and be it for the working and non-working staff, because I've not only developed my skills in embedded domain, but also in my communication skills, which are very useful into getting into any domain, because communication and your skills go hand in hand. So all I would suggest that take the right decision at the right point of time, and it's never too late to do the right thing at any point of time. As I have done after my graduation, I took a right decision to join Emertxe, through which I've landed into my dream company job, that is Matrix Comsec. So all I want to suggest is it's never too late to do the right thing. Thank you, everyone.